Hello everybody, I'm Bordon Hamsay, and today I'm gonna make the best spaghetti you've ever tasted. No meatballs needed because it tastes so good. You'll never get a sensation like this anywhere but in this spaghetti. So let's go right in. Like any professional chef, you need to wash your hands before. You gotta make sure you don't give your customers Ebola or marijuana. Now we need the fresh ingredients. We're gonna start with the tomato sauce. Now, you always want fresh ingredients because frozen, it sucks. So you want to remove this green thing by getting a cutting board, and I'm pretty sure you know what to do next. Now get the most needed knife. And just, boom. Just like that, the green thing is gone. Now, put this tomato in the blender. Now don't start off super fast, or else it's probably gonna break. I don't know, I've never done this before. New recipe, that's right, never made spaghetti before. It's working. I don't want to break the blender. If you have a problem where the tomato can't blend, then just cut it a couple times to get it nice and small. You see how juicy this tomato is? If it isn't this juicy, then you failed. So put one in at a time and just run the tomato one at a time. This will be the best tomato sauce you've ever tasted. Now get the final piece of tomato. Now once you have the tomato sauce done, you need to grab a nice bowl, a nice big one, such as this one. Take your delicious tomato out and pour it into the bowl. Now, that's just the tomato part of the tomato sauce. You need the actual sauce part of the tomato sauce. Perfect. My famous barbecue sauce. You gotta get it nice and thick. Put a little of it in. Now, all you gotta do now, just get something to mix with, and mix. Just mix it like you've never mixed it before, anything in your life before. Add more barbecue sauce if needed. It gives a nice sweet and tangy flavor. And once this starts changing color, you know it's the good stuff. Let's give it a nice taste test. You gotta love it. But now, you gotta put it and make it all nice and warm. Now you're not gonna need that much. Or that, delicious. You're not gonna need that big of a bowl, but you need to make it warm somehow, right? Because it's best when warm. Get on like a nice medium. Put it on some nice medium heat. And now it's time to make the spaghetti, the pasta. the good stuff. Now, I got time to make the pasta. You need some flour. It doesn't matter what kind of flour. And some water. Now, just pour the flour on whatever you're making it. Boom, delicious. Now, go ahead, get your Lightning McQueen cup and fill it with water. Now, you might say, what if this doesn't work? It will work. It only works. This is how you make real flour. Just start by mixing it up. That's supposed to happen. Mix it, add flour as you go. As you can tell, it's already starting to get into its chunky form. Just keep on mixing it, let the flour absorb the water, giving it into a nice paste. As you can tell, it's starting to form. Add some more water. If you need to add more flour, you can also do that. Delicious. Try to get as much as the spaghetti as you can to get off your hands. Now, you need to get a plate. A separate plate. And take your delicious spaghetti and just time to spaghetti it up. Maybe add some flour for richness and making it more into a solid than mush. But I like mushy spaghetti, so I'm fine with that. Now, what you want to do is get into nice little lines like actual spaghetti. But I like it mushy, so I don't put any actual make it look like spaghetti. I just do what I do. Now, once you have that, you want to take your delicious tomato sauce that you made and just pour it on top of your spaghetti that you made. Doesn't that just look delicious? Now, I don't have a fork. I'm gonna regret this. But now we can try what we've created. Now we can. Now that it's finished, we can try our delicious creation. Absolutely delicious. I've never had anything better in my life. Well, that's how you make the best spaghetti. If you want some, it's a great party recipe. If you want to just know the culinary arts, boom, delicious spaghetti. It can never go wrong. Well, thank you. I'm Bordon Hamsay, and smash like if you want more delicious recipes. Bye.